everybody. Hi. Diane Coffee here. It's a real pleasure. Thanks for joining us. Andy, are we good in there? We're streaming? Looks like we're streaming. Yeah, let's just hop to it. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, wait. One more time. You still getting that buzz? Ooh.
Much worse now.
Yeah, dig into it. Technical difficulties. Yeah, we want to thank you all for joining us, and thanks to Babies for hosting this event. Babies All Right TV. I'm Sean Fleming, and we've got Matthew Romy, who's going to be joining me on keys this evening. Let's just try this again. 1, 2, 3, and... How does it feel to be in love again? Perhaps this time won't feel so bad, and I pretend it's not the way it was before. But even now I tremble with the thought of more. Will we still be together? Lord knows that I can't fight. I'm asking how to love you. Strange, I don't even need this. Would things be better if I never met her? That I know the wish shows, and I can't even speak it. It happens time and again. Frosted bit to the skin. Lay me down on the frozen ground, my eyes begin to swim. Would you stay if I was leaving? On the road, another season. Hard for me to see. We'll talk easy, have another with me. That I know, and this shows, and everyone sees but you. Oh, it happens time and again. Frosty bit to the skin. Lay me down on the frozen ground, my eyes again to swim. Stay if I was leaving on the road, another season. Hard for me to see a reason. certain as the sun. Rises in the east, tale as old as time, song as old as rhyme, beauty and the beast. Thank you. We're gonna have the band join in now. Hey, band! Band, you wanna get in on this? All right. This one is from our EP entitled Peel. This one's called Poor Man Dan. 1, 2, 3. Mr. Dan had it buried in the yard, all alone, broken bones. But no one thought to dig the dark sheet on the wall. Thank you. Go on. Oh.
Stop, really, no, please.
So I had done a live stream. I tried to do a live stream. I did do it. I didn't try. I did it. I completed it. I did it.
I saw it. It happened.
It happened. It had its ups and downs. But we had one bit of, technical difficulties right in the middle of a new song I was trying to play. So I'm gonna try and play that same new song that got messed up again right here on Baby's Alright TV, coming at you live. New track. This one's called Karina from Kalina. having that crackling issue, huh?
Yep.
I don't know if you can hear the crackle at home, boys and girls, but you know, I think it sounds pretty good either way. You know, it's like tape distortion. You know, it's like getting punk rock up in here on this live stream. Oh, I miss babies. I keep having to go all the way over there. That's fine. I forget that I can't take the mic with me. We're gonna play one off of our sophomore album. It's called Not That Easy, off of Everybody's a Good Dog. Ventura, she's no good to you, but the old way is dying. What more have we got? Except that a postcard to make her happier, but all of my life, it's my life only. It's my life, you're my girl, just wouldn't dare to change my words. and the Beast. Oh. All right. Well, let's play a song that maybe you guys might know. This is a little number from the Beach Boys.
Heard of them?
Oh, God. All right, yeah. This one's called Kokomo. The song made famous by Kermit the Frog. Off the Florida Keys, there's a place called Kokomo. That's where we wanna go to get away from it all. Bodies in the sand, tropical drink melting in your hand. We'll be falling in love to the rhythm of a steel drum band. We're down in Kokomo, Jamaica. Ooh, I wanna take it. Bermuda, Bahama, come on, pretty mama. Key Largo, Montego, baby. I wanna take it down to Kokomo. We'll get there fast and then we'll take it slow. That's where we wanna go. Down to Kokomo.
Port au Prince, I wanna catch a glimpse.
We'll put out to sea and we'll perfect our chemistry. By and by we'll defy a little bit of gravity. Afternoon delight, cocktails and moonlit nights. That dreamy look in your eye gives me a tropical contact high. We're down in Kokomo. We're down in Kokomo, Jamaica. Ooh, I wanna take it to Bermuda, Bahama. Come on, pretty mama. Key Largo, Montego, baby. I wanna take it down to Kokomo. We'll get there fast and then we'll take it slow. That's where we wanna go. Down to Kokomo. Woo! I wanna take it down to Kokomo. We'll get there fast and then we'll take it slow. That's where we wanna go. Give it to me, Matt. We're down to Kokomo, Jamaica, Bermuda, Bahama. Oh, I will never get used to this whole thing of like playing a show. I felt good about that, and I hope you did too. Hope you're applauding. I hope you're like in loungewear. I hope you're in robes.
Cravats.
cravats.
Smoking pipes.
Yes.
Bubble pipes, not real
You're-
tobacco.
You're Latin, yeah. I don't condone the use of tobacco. Stop vaping, kids. We're in the middle of a health crisis, and it affects your lungs.
Thanks, Sean.
You're welcome, anytime. Oh. Yeah, this is a song off our brand new album, Internet Arms, and the song's called Not Ready to Go. I'll never get used to that. Right? Oh, 1, 2, 3. When the morning comes, you know you'll be forgiven. It's a practice that you're certain to abuse. My body's weakened by the state of the union, and there's hardly any room left to bruise. Taking shelter in a broken house is easy for a quick relief. When the cold gets in, it's slow to devour the unfamiliar swallowing me. I'm not quite ready. I'm a prisoner of my own reservations. I'm just tired by the things I put me through. I wasn't lying when I said I was out. I just struggle with my following through. I'm not ready to go. I must be going crazy. Maybe it's just I'm lonely. I've grown too dependent to make it alone. Holding on to someone who's giving you next to nothing. I shouldn't wanna stay, but I'm not ready to go. Not ready to go. I feel like such a child lost in your fight. Yeah.
Yes!
Oh. Well, hey, could you hand me, there's a water bottle right there. Thank you. Nectar of the gods. How you feeling, Matt?
Feeling great. I'm wearing a tuxedo and slippers.
Are you really wearing slippers?
Yeah.
That's amazing. Yeah, I put on some shoes that are pretty uncomfortable. I don't think you guys can see my feet, but they look snazzy.
Sounds worth it.
Totally worth it. Because I can't get into the vibe. I can't play my music if I'm not looking good from head to toe. You see me at my rehearsal.
It's a wreck.
I'm a mess.
You don't want to see that.
Yeah. Give me in a pair of sweatpants. I can hardly walk down the stairs. You know? You'd think the opposite. I can dance. Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's stay on the Internet Arms album. Let's do another one. This one's called This one's called Stuck in Your Saturday Night. For all those people who are listening at home, that sample is my dog barking in the background while I was trying to record vocals. Your eyes are red, your lips are black. Can't find your drink, 'cause you never put it back. Your cigarettes and pin and blue. You didn't look at me, I can't keep my eyes off you. Your friends got a place, you see it has a bar. Heat of the moment, jump into their car. Stuck in your Saturday night. Stuck in your Saturday night. Stuck in your Saturday. Okay. They sit I realized I only picked songs that all end just like that. Beauty and the Beast. Okay, let's take a moment. Matt, why don't you introduce yourself? I'm gonna switch guitars right quick, okay?
Hi, I'm Matt.
Good job, Matt.
Thanks.
Where'd you grow up?
I grew up right here in this studio.
This very studio?
This very studio. This is where I was born.
Oh, wow.
And
What?
I've never left.
Were you
Have
born?
you seen that movie 1900 where the piano player is born on the boat and he's a really badass piano player, but he never leaves the boat. He lives on the boat the whole life, and Jelly Roll Morton shows up and challenges him to a piano duel, and he plays this crazy piece with a cigarette sitting on the end of the piano, and the ash does not fall.
Wait, this is a movie? Or your life?
This is a movie starring Tim Roth.
Oh,
Oh, well, I mean, my life has definite parallels to this movie.
yeah, no.
Obviously.
I could have sworn you told me that story like that was you.
I did. I was lying.
Thank God. Thank God, the old, Oh,
I like that chord.
all right. This one is from our very first album, My Friend Fish. It's called Tale of a Dead Dog. And the reason I don't ever play it is because I need to bring a whole separate guitar because I don't want to tune my guitar into open D.
There's not a lot of space in the
But
van.
Sean, just learn how to play the parts in regular tuning. Well, I can't! I can't! I've tried and it doesn't work.
You said it, not me.
I can't even think. Yeah, I did. I did. Well, there coming back. If you're gonna do it, just do it loud and proud.
Once you pop, you can't stop.
That's true. All right, I think we're coming down to it now. Once again, we'd like to thank all of you for joining us this evening. We are Diane Coffee. You're watching on Baby's TV. I need my guitar. There's a cable there.
Who put that cable there?
Put that cable there. Not me. Not my cable, not my problem. Oh, little funny. I guess not funny, but it definitely brought a little joy to my Sunday. I went to the market. I had to go pick up some groceries because we were running pretty low. We're trying to buy a bidet right now because we're almost out of toilet paper, but that's like a 2-month wait now just for a bidet. But no way, right?
Bidet,
What was I saying? Oh yeah. So in the store they had the officers, or I'm not sure if they're private security or whoever takes like the money to the armored cars. Guy is got a fistful of cash, his hand on his gun, but he doesn't have a mask for coronavirus. He's got pink panties on his face. Which is like, I don't know, I mean, yeah, do whatever you gotta do, but like, man, that juxtaposition, it was just like, the dude was rocking it hard too. He was kind of like a pink frilly Spider-Man with a gun and a handful of cash. All right.
You're turning me on, Sean.
Thanks. Let's just finish this show.
Sounds good.
This is gonna be our last song. This one's called "Him" off our first album. Thank you again. We love you. Yeah. I long to hear. I think you're dear because you see you're good to me, and I give you my word, though it's certainly one that you've heard. Oh, I think that you're cool. I'd write a song with you. Just seems like the right thing to do. So we run to your house. You put a record on, I don't know what a show. Oh, but I just couldn't take it. I need your arms around me, babe. Ah, please stay. I give you my word, though it's certainly one that you've heard. Oh, I think that you're cool. I catch a cold with you. It just seems like the right thing to do. Oh, Lord knows I can't drink all that soup by myself. I probably can, though. I'm pretty hungry right now. I haven't eaten pizza in this. Oh, yes. Oh, no. two. Thank you guys. We are Diane Coffee. Oh, it's been a pleasure. Oh, pleasure's all mine. Buy some merch. Buy a record. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, a quick shout out to Blockhouse for having us here. To both Andy and Kevin, who are amazing dudes, for letting us hang out here and for these amazing projections that we see behind us, and for this beautiful audio quality. Thanks again. We'd love to come back. See you next time.